The topic of today's video is CD Baby versus Distrokid, two of the most popular music distribution platforms for independent artists going way back. Let's see how they stack up against each other today. So let's start off with one of the most important things, and that is pricing. CD Baby has honestly, to me, flipped the game on top of its head with amazing pricing for either a single or an album. Both are priced at a one-time fee of $9.99 per release, with no annual subscription fees. Once you pay, your music remains available on major platforms indefinitely. Now, DistroKid works on subscription models, and I will put the different plans available on the screen here. And generally, everyone leans more towards Musician Plus, which is an unlimited distribution plan. So you pay $22.99 a year, and you can upload unlimited songs and albums. Now, when it comes to a few additional things, CD Baby offers CDB Boost. It's an add-on service priced at $39.99, designed to maximize your royalty collection by ensuring you receive all mechanical and sound recording royalties generated in the United States. Now, DistroVid is DistroKid's video distribution service, which is its own separate thing with its own separate pricing, but CD Baby doesn't really have anything to compete with DistroVid. If we jump over again to CD Baby has the option to allow you to distribute your music physically. And then lastly, on the DistroKid side again, a partnership with Mixia allows you to use the Mixia service to master your songs, and it starts at $49 per song. Now, it wouldn't be a DistroKid video without me mentioning DistroKid's nasty little optional add-ons called album extras. Now, these will offer you things like the social media pack, which monetizes your music on platforms like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. It's pretty much content ID. And they have a ton of different extras like Leave a Legacy and so forth that are all extra on your price. So for instance, if you wanted Leave a Legacy, you'd have to pay an extra fee for that. Maybe the social media pack, you'd pay a recurring fee for that. It all starts to add up at the end of the day. Now, if you are considering joining DistroKid, we do have a link at the bottom of this video, which will give you a nice discount on your paid DistroKid subscription. So at the end of the day, choosing between CD Baby and DistroKid depends on your release strategy and the services you value the most. Honestly, for me, CD Baby will always be a banger as long as they keep their pricing structure the way it is. Though with some recent experience with DistroKid, I do actually really like the service. I just hate the pricing. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.